Making use of icing sugar, egg whites, lemon or lime juice or white vinegar. Now your cake beater or your balloon wicks and your bowl must be very clean. That's one of the rule of your of making real icing. It must be clean, no grease, nothing. It must very clean. Now I just added my egg whites and my lemon or lime juice or white vinegar to my bowl, and then added my icing sugar. Make sure you sieve your icing sugar. I'm going to beat this on medium speed for 5 minutes. If your real icing consistency is too thick, you can thin it by adding 1 teaspoon of white vinegar or lemon or lime juice at a time. While if it is too thin and want it to be thicker, you can add extra icing sugar. Now this recipe is made up of egg white and should not stay for more than 3. If you are still watching, it means you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Days. Why, if you're going to use a meringue powder, there's something we call meringue powder. It can stay as long as you want. It can stay more than that, more than the egg white recipe. But this recipe is easier to make and it's cheaper compared to using the meringue powder. Now the royal icing is ready. This consistency is very good for calligraphy and for some royal icing detailing on fondant covered cakes.